The ENCHE Cordless Vacuum delivers impressively strong suction for a stick model, so it handles pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust on hard floors and low-pile carpets without much effort. Its high-capacity rechargeable battery supports extended cleaning sessions, and the removable pack makes it easy to charge or swap without parking the whole vacuum near an outlet. The motorized floor head pivots deeply and uses bright front lights, which really helps you see and reach debris hiding under furniture and along baseboards. A clear digital display shows remaining battery time and suction level at a glance, and the simple two-mode control keeps operation straightforward even when you are in a hurry. The multi-stage filtration system does a good job trapping fine particles, so exhaust air feels cleaner, and the self-standing design with included dock keeps storage neat and accessible. With its lightweight body, convertible handheld configuration, and multiple attachments, this 6-in-1 unit adapts to floors, furniture, stairs, and car interiors.